Our problem for today is about age. By the way, I'm sorry that I was out for several weeks because I was so busy and I also got sick. But here I am now, so let's go to the problem. Celine is twice as old as AJ and half as old as Ryan. In 22 years, Ryan will be twice as old as AJ. How old is Celine? So let us represent X as AJ's age now. And since Celine is twice as old as AJ, so and Celine is half as old as Ryan, which means Ryan is 4 times as old as AJ, so and 22 years after, the age of AJ is also the age of Ryan 22 years after is, we have 4x, Ryan's age now, so 22 years after, okay, now let us find the equation. Now remember that Celine is twice as old as AJ and as old as Ryan, which means that Ryan is 4 times as old as AJ. But 22 years after, Ryan will be twice as old as AJ. So the age of AJ 22 years after is X plus 22. We must double this age of AJ so that his age will be equal to that of Ryan. So the equation is we have 2 times X and 2 times 22. Transpose 2x to the left, change the sign. Transpose 22 to the right, change the sign. 4x minus 2x, 44 minus 22. So x, solving for x, simply divide 22 by 2, you will get 11. This means AJ's age now is but the question being asked is, how old is Celine? So if AJ is 11 years old and Celine is twice as old as AJ, so we will multiply 2 by 11, we will get So the age of Celine is 22 years old. Now I hope the solution is very clear and you really understood it. So for the new viewers, please follow and like to support my channel. Thank you.